Hello sweeties, I hope you're fine. I'm very excited to go back to school and here's my super easy and natural makeup for you. Let's get started. I'm using this very light foundation from Too Faced in Vanilla. I'm applying small dots of foundation all over my face and then blend it out with a makeup sponge. I'm going a bit down my neck to make the foundation look more natural. To conceal dark circles and blemishes, I'm using this liquid concealer first. Under my eyes, the T-zone, around the nose and any blemishes, just like this. I'm also using this Benefit concealer to hide a few blemishes as well. Now let's add some cute blush to look more awake and lovely. Put it on your cheeks. And a bit on your nose. For my brows, I'm using Kat Von D's signature brow pencil in dark brown. I'm drawing my brows by following their natural shape and fill them. Lately, I'm so in love with this mascara and eyeliner from NYX. My lashes are really thin and short, but applying a bit of mascara makes quite a difference. For the eyeliner, I just draw a small line in the corner of my eye. Just keep it natural and sweet. Now it's time to shine with some highlighter. Apply little dots on your cheekbones, nose, chin and brow, just like this. Blend it out with your fingers. This is one of my favorite lip tints. It's from the brand Etude house. I like to apply 2 or 3 coats of tint on my lips. You can put as many coats until you're satisfied with the color. And then soften the lines with your finger. I also like to apply a colored lip balm on top to keep my lips soft and shiny. To fix all this makeup, I'm using this finishing powder from the brand Makeup Forever. This one is really good. It's super transparent, weightless and blurring. To finish, I'm using a matte setting spray from NYX. And voila, here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video and good luck for your studies. See you next time!